Okay, this is if you are building this kit after and want to get on this IC, or your IC has issued for the clock. The clock IC is this little tiny 5 TSSOP piece here, and it should already be soldered on to your board. If not, this is the quick little video of how to install. I made it so it's hand solderable, so always tin your iron, get a little bit on, do that one pin, line up the other pins the best you can. Take it on. I made the pads extra big for this. Once you see that's pretty good, go ahead and put a little bit much on that one pad. Put a little bit much on that pad too. That's okay. As long as it works, you want to get through, clean it up with a little bit of solder stick or whatnot. That's how you get on the one little chip.